Guys, welcome back to Wild and Purdy, week number 6 of a Wild Flight mystery quilt. This week we are working on high altitude, which you will notice looks very similar to last week's low altitude. So there won't be any sewing demonstration this week because it again is more of the same sewing instructions of just basic piecing techniques, which I believe we all have. I've been seeing everybody posting online and it looks fantastic and I can't wait to see them all. So this week we have 5 blocks to make. We have double H, double I, double J, double K, and double L to make. And then we'll be sewing H to I, J to K, this assembly to L, and then the 2 assemblies will go together in this fashion. You will notice that you need to make sure again that all of your half square triangles are pointing in the upper right hand direction so that they will appear correctly in the finished quilt, because you're not going to want to have to rip all of this out because it will be very noticeable if you do not do that. Unless you like some random character in your quilts, which is always a personal choice as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I will be back here to show you what this final high altitude assembly looks like. And there you have it. This is what you should have when you complete this week's blocks and sew them together into one assembly. It's hard to see completely here on the screen, but all of my half square triangles are all pointing up towards the upper right. Just verify that those are all correct. And I will meet you back here next week for our final week where we get to assemble everything together into the quilt top. I can't wait. I hope you guys are excited as I am, and I will see you next Saturday.